In this little video, I'll show you how to use these fantastic MadamSew heat erasable gel pens. You can use them to draw on your fabrics and just remove the marks by ironing over them. I'll show you. If you use the pens for the first time, always take a little piece of the fabric you're using and test the pens on your fabric. Like this. And then iron over them to remove the marks. If one of them doesn't work, you just scribble on a little piece of paper to get the ink out. I'll draw something on all 4 scraps. And then the white one is a little special because sometimes the marks appear a couple of seconds later. You draw and at first you think you don't see much, but then the marks appear. I'll show a bit closer, like this. You see? To make the lines disappear, you just take your hot iron and go over them. Like this. It won't damage or stick to your sole plate, the bottom of your iron, because the gel just dissolves. It disappears when it gets hot and it doesn't physically take on the gel. For those who don't like to use their iron, you can also put the fabric in your oven at 180 degrees Fahrenheit. The marks will disappear as well. If you see any ghost marks on your fabric, apparently it happens with certain fabrics, and I had it with this one on which I used the white pen, but on camera you can hardly see it. It's a little darker lines here. You can easily wash them off just with some hand soap, so like this, and they disappear. Just a little word of caution. The marks disappear with heat, so if you put your project in a really hot environment and the temperature rises above 80 degrees Fahrenheit, which is exceptional in a normal situation, the marks might disappear before you want them to. I can only think of one situation where this might happen, and it is if you put your creation behind a window in the sun. So watch out for that. The other way around, if you expose your project to like freezing temperatures, once it is finished, the marks might reappear. This is also really rare, but there's also a solution, and that is just wash it with some soap like I did, or just iron over it like you did the first time. When you order these pens now, you get 4 refills for free. I'll show you how to change a filling, because we've had some questions about that. So you take the filling, you remove the little metal looking cap on top of the pen, like this. You put in the new one, you remove the little plastic cap that's on the refill, put back the metal cap, and ready to go. That's it. I hope I answered some of the questions you've had about these gel pens, and I wish you a lot of fun with your future projects and a lot of markings. Bye! Have fun!